Here today at Table Rock State Park, we're gonna hike Pinnacle Mountain, which is the tallest mountain in South Carolina. Still not very tall, but should be a little over 2,000 feet in elevation. It's about a 7-mile round trip. Gus out here on the leash. Seems to be a pretty well-traveled path so far, but gonna have some fun today. It's gonna be beautiful weather, so I'm looking forward to it. Looks like there may have been a fire that ripped through here. Just past a pretty large section with a lot of down charred trees, a lot of new growth as well, so kind of interesting. Let's keep going. Nice shady hike so far in this warm South Carolina day, so it's pretty welcome. The ranger said pretty much going to be canopy like this the whole way, but then when we get to the top of the Pinnacle Mountain, it's just going to be absolutely breathtaking. So I took his advice, see if it pays off. So just talked to a guy that said done this hike before, and said there should be a pretty cool spot on top of Pinnacle, but the actual summit is a little farther and it's not as interesting. But I think I'm gonna go all the way up. I want to do it to say I did it, you know, say I summited the highest point in South Carolina, Appalachian Mountain. So I think that'd be pretty cool. Well, let's keep trucking along. All right, So here we are on top of lookout of Pinnacle Mountain, which is the highest point of elevation in South Carolina. Going to go to the very end where they actually have the plaque and all that stuff. But as you can see, totally gorgeous. Super happy I did the hike. I got a little bit of drone footage, but actually when I did the flyaway, there is kind of like a hawk eyeing it up. There's a bunch of them out there. You might be able to see some flying around. I was like, I'm not gonna do that anymore. I wanted to think it's a pigeon or something. All right, so here we are at the summit. This is the highest point in South Carolina. All right, so you can see behind me, the sign says 3425 feet above sea level. And I've climbed approximately 235 flights of stairs. So this last part in particular was a heck of a burner. But you know what, for future reference, if you come up here, not necessity. I just wanted to do it being that this is the first time I've been up here, get to the highest point once, you know, and then kind of go from there. So Gus is tired, I'm tired. Let's go down, get some water and a cheeseburger. Alrighty. Hiking down now on the Pinnacle Mountain Trail. Pretty cool, glad I did it. Check one off on the old list. This is one I had some friends tell me about previously. So super happy I was able to complete it and in good fashion. So hopefully we got some good footage, and on to the next. I guess next is maybe Table Rock. I don't know, we'll see. But guys, had a lot of fun today. The Pinnacle Mountain hike went about 7.5 miles. I'll put the stats down here at the bottom. But if you're in the South Carolina area, it's definitely a little more of a moderate to hard hike. Wouldn't recommend it for everybody. However, the view is breathtaking. So if you think you can get up there, get up there. It's a good one. All right, see you in the next.